What is it, Lord? What's my purpose? What is it, Lord, that you want me to do? Humble myself to you. I'll do what you want me to do. I chose to take a stand. My life is in your hand. I took self out of the way. Before the throne of grace I lay. Spirit dwell in me so I can see my purpose.